welcome back to my channel. So as you know, the Alibaba Cloud Group, so they have an AI named Qwen. So they have launched their new model, that is 2.5 Max model. So it is launched by Chinese only. So the new Chinese AI model. So it is a large scale MOE model, that is mixture of expert model. So this is just launched in just a few days ago only. So in this model, this model has been pre-trained on over 20 trillion tokens, as you can see, and further they have post-trained with supervised fine-tuning and reinforcement learning from human feedback. So they have trained on such a large data set and they have post-trained with SFT and RLFH methodologies. So this has been launched through Alibaba Cloud, and if you want to use API, you can uh, check the availability on this API link, and they have provided their Qwen platform in that using Qwen 2.5 Max is completely free. So we'll coming on that also. Now let's discuss about the performance. So they have evaluated Qwen 2.5 Max model alongside leading model, that is DeepSeek V3, Llama 3.14, 405 billion instruct, GPT-4 o Cloud 3.5 Sonnet. So they have not used no, they have not done with owen model and DeepSeek carbon model, as they both model are reasoning model. Okay, so they have leading on the state of the art models. These are the state of the art model, that is V3, Llama 3.1 and all that. So in Arena Hard, they have the benchmark shows that they have been greater result than all of the other models. In MMLU Pro, they have significantly greater high model, but not that much as Cloud 3.5 Sonnet has. In GPQ Diamond also Cloud 3.5 Sonnet has great benchmarks. In Live Code Bench also, in Live Bench it has the greater benchmark, that is Qn 2.5 Max. So it outperforms DeepSeek V3 in benchmarks. Okay, in Arena Hard, Live Bench and all that. When comparing base model, we are unable to access the priority models such as GPT-4 and Cloud 3.5 Sonnet. Therefore, they have evaluated Qn 2.5 max against V3 model. Okay, so as you can see, the all the benchmarks regarding with Qn 2.5 72 billion. This is max. This is V3 and Llama 3.140405 billion model. Okay, so we can use Qn 2.5 max. We will see that thing. And for the API key, you have to register on that, and you can start using the API key. So now let's go on Qn model. So as you can see, the let's first see the all the models they have. So they have this much model: 2.5 max, 2.5 plus, 2.5 will 72 billion instruct, and many more. So whenever you click on that, you will be getting maximum context length and maximum generation length. Okay, so it is 32,768 tokens, maximum generation length 8192 token. For as you can go on 72 billion, you can see 1,31,000. Here also in plus also it is 1,31,000. Okay, in turbo model it is 10 lakh tokens. Okay, as you can see, the fast and long context language model of the QN series. Okay, so now we have selected QN 2.5 max. So now let's ask the most question of how many R's are there in strawberry. Okay, so this is just a simple basic question. So obviously it will be giving a perfect answer. Thus there are three. You can also have image generation in this, as you can see, and from here you can change the aspect ratio what in whatever you want to choose. Like I have to generate in 4:3. So create an image for a lion roaring, roaring in the deep water. Now let's see what this model generate. So as you can see, it is taking time, and there are many more, that is website that is coming soon, and video generation that is also coming soon. I don't know what happened. Let's refresh this. Okay, so it go hang whatever it is coming. Okay, so now loading. The current content is empty. Please regenerate. Okay, so now let's regenerate. How many hours are there in strawberry? Now let's check the status of Qwen 2.5 max. Okay, so they don't provided any link for checking the status of the Qwen model. Okay, no worry for that. Okay, so it has generated an image for this. How many hours are in that strawberry? But now we have to generate a lion roaring in the deep water. Now let's see if it generates that or not. Okay, so now it is generating, and it is quite fast. As you can see, it has generated in just a few seconds. Let's see. Okay, lion is in the water. Lion is in the deep water. Okay, it has generated a very much a good image, we can say. From here you can download also, and you can share from here. Okay, very much good result, we can say. Okay, now they have given a one more thing. Now let's go now. That is add model. So you can use up to three models. Like I have added Qn 2.5 plus, and now let's add Qn 2.5 coder. So now they will give three different answers from one question only. So create a script for React component. As you can see, 2.5 max is giving answer, 2.5 plus is giving answer, and 2.5 coder. All three are giving answer on the same time. So by this also you can use this thing. So it is a nice thing to do. Okay, so these are generating. So both three are generating answer. Okay, now just go on the next, and the main thing here is artifacts. So what is this? I will tell you. Okay, so first I am writing write code for tic-tac-toe game in which first I will play and then computer will play. Okay, so artifact is whatever the HTML, CSS and JavaScript code they will write here, you will be seeing this here. Okay, so I don't know what happened. Let's just regenerate here. Okay, so now it has started writing the HTML, CSS and JS code, and whatever after generating all these things, you will be seeing that output here in artifacts. Okay, so now just wait. Let's wait for writing. Okay, so it has completed the writing. So okay, as you can see, you can get. So now let's start from here. So put here. Okay, so now, so as you can see, like that, and it's a draw restart, so you can get to know. Okay, so you can make changes like add color, some write some good CSS, whatever you can do. So as you can see, this is a very nice model. You can use artifacts here, you can use web search. Web search and video generation will be coming soon. You can generate an image also. Okay, so it's depend on different model. Like whenever you go on plus, so now you have to close this thing. Okay, so this is artifacts only for here. So you have to change, create a new chat, and for this like plus, then you can use this model. In this image generation is not there, for different model for different things you can do. Okay, so that's it for now. You can use this model. So stay tuned for new videos. Till then, do coding.